This is SquishieP, and I'm making Puto with Lola and hamstring gaming.
Movie.
Let's get started!
Okay, now let's have to make puto now. You start. Who is gonna start with the flour? We're gonna use 3 cups of flour.
Me!
Yeah. And a biscuit. Okay, do it. Okay. Pour it in. Next one is you break the egg. Who's gonna break the egg? 2 eggs. Huh? It's gonna help. Oh my goodness. Okay, another one. 2 eggs. 1 cup of sugar. It's a good help there. You have a good helper there. Okay, now you have to put 2 cups of milk. Where's the milk? Okay, now you're gonna put the 2 cups of milk. Okay. Okay, are you gonna measure it? Who's gonna measure? Help measure. Okay, just pour the milk. Then the next thing we have to do. Okay, just pour it because your mommy already measured. Okay, that's pre-measured. Pour it. There you go. Okay, who's gonna pour? Who's gonna pour? LA. Squishy. Alright, now we're gonna start to. What's the next? Who knows how to mix it?
Me!
Okay, there. Okay. And just keep on mixing until you're all mixed.
No gloves!
No lumps, no bubbles, everything. Mix. Okay. Keep on going. And then you're almost ready to put it in the cup.
No, we're not.
We're not? Look at it. No.
He's mixing it fastly and aggressively. Yeah.
It's probably taking them more than 2 minutes here. Just keep on mixing it until you don't see it anymore. What do you call it? Lumps?
I don't know.
Yes, you see. Until it's all fine. You don't need any bubbles. Completely mixed. I think it's completely mixed.
I want to eat it.
Oh, very soon you could eat it. Here, everything is mixed properly by SquishieP and ham. And now we are ready to pour it into the container. You're gonna do the other one, and you're gonna do, this is the way to do it, okay? So I'm gonna take that out. And look at Lola how she will fill up one, and the rest of them you do it, okay? Okay, you look in there. And you just do it that way. That's enough. You think you can do it? You think you can do it, Ham? No? No also? Okay, let me just pour it down and then we will... Ay, that is too much, but it's okay. Ay is right. Okay. See, this is the way, easiest way to do. Ooh, I messed it up. Pour on the wrong. Okay. So you hold it and you think you can do it? I don't feel the first one. You can do it. You're good in calculating, right? Okay. Good. Now hand. Gonna do like half. Let us see if you could do a little bit more than half. Alright. Okay, now it's gonna be swish. Very good. That's it. Okay, good. Okay, one more. Exactly, they're doing nice. It's nicely done. Okay, now we're ready to, where are we gonna do the next one? Next thing we do? Cook it! Yeah! Okay. Good job. Don't remove it. Just bring the whole thing. No! They good. They are, you did a good job there preparing to make a puto. It's a steamed cupcake. Put it on top. And then you put the other one on top. You have to be careful because squishy is so smaller than hot. Okay, now we're going to cover it. Slowly. Okay. Now we have a boiling steam water going on. So we have to wait for another maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes to check if it's done or not. You know how to check that? And away from you. The steamer doesn't put to your face or to your head. Put it down. Okay, you can test it. So, put it in. Don't shake it. Do it on the bottom, up to the bottom. If it's dry, it's cooked. It's dry, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And the food is coming as requested
That's
by
hot.
SquishieP and
Apple.
Puto is done. Oh my God. It looks like you cannot wait, huh? To have and to taste this puto that you did. Okay, I'm just helping out. All right, now get one each. One each
This
and open the side. Open the side. Okay, let it pop out. Okay, and you could get it. Oh, look at Jesus. And look at ham.
Now you put it back in.
Okay, you taste it. Get it. And you can eat it. See, you can open the rest. Look at that. Like it? Wow. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm finished helping these two little grandchildren of mine. Now they could do it themselves. So you could do it, Elsie, and especially grandparents, you could help your grandchild to make a puto for the day, especially when it's cold. Say thank you.
Thank you for not watching. Bye.
Yeah.